Lucy works in a busy office. Every day is full of deadlines and pressure. Lucy, can you send me that report?
Yes, I'll send it in a minute. She always says yes, I just need to finish everything.
Lucy, what is this? This is not correct.
I followed the instructions, sir.
No, this is not good enough. Do it again.
I will fix it right away. I need it perfect this time.
Lucy, can you finish this for me?
But isn't this your task?
You're faster than us.
I already have a lot of work.
Please, just this once.
Okay. This is the final report analysis.
Stop. This is not acceptable.
Sir,
I checked everything. This is harsh.
you call this quality work? I will fix it.
Lucy, finish all of this today.
All of this today?
Yes, I don't want excuses.
I already have pending tasks.
Then work faster. She always tries too hard.
That's why boss gives her more work. Are they talking about me?
Just ignore her.
I was just helping. Why does it feel so wrong?
Look at her, always working like a robot.
Yeah, no life, just office. Perfect employee, no break, no fun.
Maybe if she relaxed, she'd look normal.
I was just doing my job.
Lucy starts working longer hours every day.
I need to fix this. It must be perfect. Fix this
She
now.
cannot rest.
Just a little more, then I can sleep.
Ugh, it's so late already. Come on, just a little more. Oh, another message? Not now. Okay, back to work. Almost done. I feel so tired. My body is tired, but my mind is even more exhausted. Too much pressure. This cannot continue. Not a big moment, just a quiet decision. I can't keep living like this. I need to take care of myself, starting today. Not someday. A small decision that will change everything. Lucy, are you okay? I don't think so. I feel exhausted all the time. You're doing too much, and how do I do that? No, you need to take care of yourself first. Start with small things. Take care of your body. Like what? Eat on time, drink water, and rest properly. And mentally, stop saying yes to everything. You're not disappointing them, you're protecting yourself. No rushing today. Slow. My body needs this. I should not skip meals anymore. Just small steps. It's okay. I will take care of myself.
Lucy, can you do this for me quickly?
I have my own tasks to finish.
It will only take a few minutes.
I can't do it right now.
You all will help later, but not now.
I said no. That felt different. I don't feel guilty. Relaxed. Maybe this is what I needed.
Lucy, redo this report. I need it now.
I will complete it by 3 p.m.
I said I need it now.
I am finishing another task first.
Fine. Don't. Lucy, you are leaving on time these days.
Yes, I complete my work during office hours.
You are not as flexible as before.
I am more focused now.
Your work quality is better.
Thank you. Okay, breathe. I feel stressed, and that's okay. One step at a time. Update the report tonight. It's late. I need rest. I will work on this tomorrow morning. Work can wait, my health cannot. Fresh air feels good. I should stay hydrated. No more skipping meals. Just a few minutes for myself. My body feels lighter already. These small things really help. Today was different. I said no, and it felt right. I don't want to feel like before if I care. Not sometimes, every day. Taking care of yourself is not selfish. It does not mean you don't care about others. It means you respect yourself. You also deserve time and peace. Rest is part of growth. You don't have to say yes to everything. It's okay to say no. You can still be kind and have limits. Boundaries protect your energy, but your peace is more important. If you feel tired like me, if people take too much from you, please don't ignore yourself. Take care of your body, you mind. Just start making for yourself every day. That feels better. Work is still the same, but I am not the same.
I don't need to give everything to be enough.
I just need to take care of myself. Life is still busy, people are still the same, but now I take care of myself, and that makes everything easier. See you in the next story. Goodbye.